Today we start the class 9 mathematics. We start a new chapter. Chapter 4, we have finished the chapter 4. The review exercise is left. Solve the review question by yourself. If any problem to you, anyone, please call me on my WhatsApp number. Now we start chapter number 4 today. Chapter number 5. Factorization. Factorization. Important chapter according to board point of view. Chapter 5 and 6. 4 questions, 2 from chapter 5 and 2 from chapter 6 in the section B in the board paper, inshallah. Now, first method, common. Second method, apply formula. A plus B square, A minus B square, A cube minus B cube, A cube plus B cube, A plus B whole cube, and A minus B whole cube. Apply any one of them by completing square, by cement from product method, by quadratic equation. SCF, LCM, by factor theorem. These are different methods we can solve. Now, exercise 5.1 now. Question number 1. Question number 1. 9s3 t plus 15s square t square t cube minus 3s square t square. 9, 15 and 3. 3 is common. S raised to power 2, s raised to power 2, s raised to power 2, s raised to power 2 is common. T raised to power 1, t raised to power 3, t raised to power 2, t raised to power 1 is common. 3 times 9. S2 is common, 1 is left. Plus 3 5 times 15. S2 is common, S1 is common, what is left? S2 minus 3 is common. S2 is common and T1 is common. We get now, if the expression consists of 3 terms, 1, 2 and 3, we make a 1 bracket. If the expression consists of 2 terms, we make a 1 bracket. And if the expression consists of 6 terms, we make it 2 brackets. If the expression consists of 6 terms, we make it 3 brackets. Now, question number 4. Question number 4 now. X square minus 2y3, 2xy square plus xy. Now, arrange the like terms, not like that, arrange them. Now, x square plus xy in the one bracket minus 2xy square plus 2y cube in the other bracket. Do this minus will be plus. X is common, x plus y. 2y square is common, x plus y. X plus y and x plus y. X minus 2y square. Now, question number 4. We have done. Question number 5. Question number 5. 4x square plus 4, 1 by x square. We apply the formula. What is this? A square, b square, 2ab equal to a plus b whole square, 2x whole square plus 1 by x whole square plus 2 formula into a into b, 2 plus b whole square Now a square minus b square. Here's a 4, 2 and 2. Apply formula. Apply. A plus b, a minus b. The same as it is. The first bracket is same as it is. The second, we apply the formula again. A square minus b square. First bracket is same as it is. A minus b, a plus b. Now I am giving the homework now. Question number 2. Question number 3. Question number 6. And question number 8. It's your homework. Any problem? Again I am saying to you, any problem in the homework, please call me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you. God bless you.